Welcome back to my new video. My name is Kamran and thank you for watching Camera Info. As you know that I'm working in Genpact as a process associate as well as I'm running a YouTube channel for your support. I have uploaded lots of videos regarding Genpact, onboarding, hiring process, training related videos available on my channel. You can check out. If you have any doubt, any concern, you can feel free to connect my Instagram. Also, you can mention the comment in comment section. I will pick your comment. I will reply as soon as possible. I am receiving lots of messages regarding please upload vacancy. In this video, I have one vacancy. So what is the designation, who can apply, and what is the experience required? Each and everything we will discuss in this video and how to apply. So if you are new on my channel, don't forget to like and subscribe my channel. Also press the bell icon. Let's start the video. Audio Jungle. Let's discuss about the profile, designation, each and everything. As you can see on the screen, profile and designation. Designation is process associate, which is the entry level position in Genpact. Profile is underwriting. What is the role and responsibilities in this profile? Let's see. Responsible to balance dynamic value of workloads and to reach targets and deadlines on a timely basis. Knowledge of insurance contract of UK, its section and details such as a written line, sign, line, etc. If I am talking about this profile, so I have very good knowledge about this profile because I am working in this profile. I am working for insurance department. So basically this profile belongs to insurance department. I am working for that. If you have good knowledge about insurance, if you are interested to working in insurance department like insurance, premium, payment, cash collection, these kind of work you will have to do over there. Now you can see on the screen preferred skill set: proficient in English language, both written and oral, insurance domain awareness, good knowledge of MS Office and Excel. So you will have to aware about insurance, MS Office, Excel. You must have good communication skill, English. These things are required for this profile. Now come to the education part. As you can see on the screen, minimum qualification graduate in any discipline. अगर आपने ग्रेजुएशन कंप्लीट किया है किसी भी एक्सट्रीम से तो यू आर एलिजिबल. अगर आप फ्रेशर हो तो भी आप अप्लाई कर सकते हो. अगर आप एक्सपीरियंस हो, अगर आपको इंश्योरेंस डिपार्टमेंट का अच्छा खासा एक्सपीरियंस हो तो वेल एंड गुड, आपके लिए ज़्यादा प्रेफरेंस है. आपके पास ज़्यादा चांस है कि आपकी CV शॉर्ट लिस्ट हो. नाउ कम टू द लोकेशन. किस लोकेशन के लिए प्रोफाइल है? यू कैन सी ऑन द स्क्रीन डिपार्टमेंट इज इंश्योरेंस. लोकेशन इज गुड़गांव बादशाहपुर ऑफिस. इफ यू आर इन गुड़गांव, दिल्ली, नोएडा, then you can apply. If you are not, but you are able to relocate for this location, so you can apply. You are eligible for this vacancy. Now how to apply for this vacancy? I have mentioned link in the description. You can go and click on the description and fill your basic detail like name, address and contact detail and upload your CV, then submit. No need to do anything.